Vinston is a world leader in the manufacture of computerized multi-axis spring and wire forming machines. American-owned and operated, Vinston US Corp is the distribution and support center for the Vinston and JYF brands for the North American spring making and wire forming industries. We are centrally located in Wheeling, Illinois, and provide complete technical support, including training, demonstrations, repairs, and maintenance services. The VINSTON Spring and Wire Formers and the JYF series of spring coilers are designed and engineered to ensure the machines are stable, accurate, and consistent, has an easy-to-use CNC interface control for configuring highly complex wire forming operations, and are capable of high production rates or handling large, heavy wire. The wire spring formers have 6 to 8 tooling slides on the face of the machine, special camless design, lateral slide, and slide modules. The VINSTON Spring Formers can easily be programmed to perform bends, loops, hooks, radii, and various wire shapes with wire dimensions that range from 0.3 millimeters up to 8 millimeters. This is in addition to typical torsion, double torsion, and extension springs that can be easily made on the spring formers without a secondary station. Universal spring coilers are servo-driven spring-making machines. The wire diameter range of JYF spring coiling machines cover from 0.2 millimeters to 20 millimeters. In addition, the free length detection and sorting devices automatically adjust pitch to ensure spring height. Optional features include a video camera test system for tight tolerances and a defect wire detection system to monitor wire quality. The Vinston Spring and Wire Formers and the JYF Spring Coilers are used for many applications, including telecommunications, agriculture, and the automotive industry. Warranty and service contracts provide our customers with superior performance and sustained durability to exceed your expectations. Vinston US will always provide quality products and excellent service. For more information, go to vinstonus.com or call 847-947-2241.